I've been hiking in this area with the Vail Nature Center for over 21 years. Hiking is one of the wonderful things that a 7-year-old can enjoy doing with a 70-year-old. Just about anyone can do a short hike.
And there's hiking trails for everyone. So you can hike along a paved footpath up here on a steep terrain, and the views you get are just breathtaking. And there's nowhere else that I've been where you have such a diversity of hiking trails that let you really pick what level of exercise or energy you want to expend while trying to explore the wilderness. It's really unlike anywhere else I've been.
A great experience is to take the gondola to the top of the mountain. And there are several hikes that you can do up there that are a wonderful experience, and you can get fantastic views.
There's really no wrong choice. There's something for everybody. You can go out there, and if you want to see waterfalls, we can show you waterfalls, like here. If you want to see desert, we can show you desert. Mountain views, we have it all. Come and visit and get outside and take time to be outside. There's so many different things for you to experience by getting out and walking away. You really have the chance to personalize your trip for what you want to do and what you want to accomplish. There's really something for everybody.
I cannot think of any place that I would rather be. Being able to hike and experience nature in the Vail Valley has been a highlight of my life for many, many years. Come visit and enjoy our countryside.
If you want to take a hike in Vail, contact the Vail Nature Center about one of our many different hikes around the valley. Call 970-479-2291 for your reservation.